Hello, this is Martin Brossman, and one of the things we talk about in our class on making money online while you sleep is affiliate programs. eBay has a fairly easy one to sign up for, and I'm just going to walk through the process of signing up for it. You can go to the link partnersnetwork.ebay.com. Paul Apollonia, that's the eBay expert I work with, is actively involved in this and many other aspects of eBay. You can click sign in to sign up and then read more about it and how it works. And then either you're going to set up a new eBay account or your existing. Well, I have one that's well established, well trusted over many years, so I want to use my existing one. So I'm going to say sign in with eBay. Now I'm graying out the sign in and password for it. Click continue, password, and I might come back to this. This is a good thing to set up if you're using it at a high level. So we'll say maybe later. So now I'm in, and then how it works, logged into eBay, and then you need to fill this out because you're signing up on the affiliate program. You signed in with eBay to get here, but now you need to fill all this out to be submitted and then approved. Then sign up. It will ask you to double check to make sure you selected the correct currency. I did. There it goes. Now it's under review. Okay, here we are. Got a message and it says I've been accepted. So now let's go ahead and generate a affiliate link from a product on eBay. Now I'm in my affiliate link program, and I'm going to show how to create a promoted link, a single link. So I'm in the main snapshot page off of home, and this is a newer account I set up. Paul Apollonia uses this extensively. I use Amazon affiliate, but this is a new account I set up for this. So let's go to eBay and find something. Okay, now here's a microphone I both like and recommend. This is one, it looks like they've got good ratings, a top rated, and it says one available. I'd really prefer to see if it's something they're ongoing selling, if I'm going to refer to it so it would keep going. But I just want to set this up as a demonstration. The key is when you look at a URL, look at this URL here. Do you see the question mark and then all that gobbledygook after it? You want to remove that. So I'm going to select that and delete, then click return or enter to make sure it loads, and copy this URL. And let's get back into the affiliate program. Paste in that URL right here. You can grab the URL or its unique ID. So let's say generate link. And I need to pick a campaign. I'll put it on default. And then generate link right here. Simple link. Shorten link, which is nice. It'll make a nice clean shorten link. And now I can share this as an affiliate. Make sure to let people know that it's an affiliate link they're going to. But we'll go over here and I'll go incognito, open a window, and paste this in. And then it comes to that product. And it will track back to me if someone buys it. Pretty straightforward and simple. This completes this intro tutorial. This is Martin Brossman. I'll also put links to Paul Apollonia's YouTube channel. Great resources in the future to check out. Have a great day, and remember to click subscribe and the bell to see future videos.